Assalamu alaikum. This is Q from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm cooking a little bit under pressure. Brother-in-law just called and said he will be picking up some food in 30 minutes, so I'm going to cook real fast. And this is 1 large onion with 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going to start browning it, and then I'm adding that eggplant, 2 eggplants in it actually, and 2 hot peppers and a little bit of ginger. So I'm gonna turn that real fast in golden brown. I peeled and I'm soaking the eggplant, chopping up some ginger. That will be around 1 tablespoon, and that will be enough for 2 eggplants. Pepper, I'm not going to chop it down, just seeded the pepper, and I'm going to add it to the pan just like that. And it's turning golden brown. Pepper smells good, ginger smells good, garlic always good, and time to add all those spices in it. As you can see, there we go. Just going to toast the spices a little bit, and then just like 30 seconds, real fast. Some water in it, around half a cup of water, and let everything come together. No fancy cooking here today. So I'm adding the eggplants. This is 1 eggplant. I'm making the meat separately because the DeBrossi guys, they like eggplant, real mushy eggplant with meat. So this is mutton, and I'm going to cook it in the pressure cooker with them spices. Alrighty, so while the meat is cooking, I'm cooking the eggplant on the other stove, and I'm going to make it very, very soft. So this is my good basmati. I'm going to take 2 cups. 2 cups of good basmati rice. And eggplant is coming out nice. Like I said, hubby and his brothers, they love eggplant, very, very mushy. And they like it with meat. I came from a household where we eat aloo bangan with potatoes, eggplant with potatoes, but well, okay. So the meat is tender enough. I took 1/4 part out of 2 pounds of meat that I'm cooking, and I added to this, cover it with real heavy plate to let it get a little more tender. Added half a bell pepper in it, half to 1. This was a real large one, so you can add 1 bell pepper. Okay, I have my containers ready. I'm going to garnish the eggplants now. There you go. Garnish it and then cover it again and let it simmer a few more minutes. Rice is almost ready. Boiling the rice in loose water because we are all diabetics here. I'm going to drain the extra water, rice back in the pot. Added a little bit butter. Going to let it melt. I will cover it and we're done. That smells good, and I still have few minutes left to let the food cool down. I'm gonna let this cool down first, and then the rice is cooling down. So I think he's gonna be here in 5 minutes, and we're taking the food downstairs because of corona. There are no parking available, and he's not coming up, so just for the safety purpose. There you go.